Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in proportions. Draw a circle and a vertical center line to keep features even. Once done, place a horizontal eye line 1/3 down to position the eyes accurately. Next, quickly block the torso with a trapezoid and draw simple limb guides. Think of Zoro as 6 heads tall to keep the body balanced. Make sure to keep strokes light. You will refine these shapes into features and clothing, so focus on placement and proportion rather than detail at this stage. Now refine the head. Carve a defined jawline and set the ears between the eye and nose lines so the face reads correctly. Once that looks right, sketch Zoro's short, spiky hair with directional strokes to show texture. Then add his distinctive scar across the left eye. Use light, confident lines. Make the brows thick and angled, eyes narrow and focused, and the mouth set with a calm, stern expression. After this, erase unnecessary guidelines and check symmetry before moving to clothing. Finish by dressing him. Draw the kimono collar with an overlapping V and suggest fabric folds with curved lines that follow the body's form. Place the 3 sword sheaths at the waist, for shortening the handles slightly so they read in perspective. Once placed, refine hands and sleeve openings. Ink your final lines, remove remaining sketch marks, and add hatching for shadow to create volume. If proportions look off, flip the drawing or view it in a mirror. This reveals asymmetries and helps correct them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.